Hey, it's Wednesday morning. I do this on my way to work. I cruise these upper scale neighborhoods on their trash days, and you'd be surprised at the stuff that people throw away that you could turn around and make money on. I've been doing this a long time and have picked up a lot of extra cash just simply by driving through their neighborhood. So let's go see what we find today. Okay, here I am pulling into the first subdivision and getting ready to make my rounds. And to be quite honest, I'm not going to expect a whole lot, if anything, today, just because of how cold it's been. And people not getting out and about, because this time of year I find mowers, weed eaters, a lot of outdoor stuff that people are replacing for one reason or another. So anyhow, let me keep my eyes open and keep you informed along the way. As I expected with the cold weather, this past week there wasn't a lot that people had put out. I'm going to give you some more tips on that shortly, and I'm going to show you what I did pick up. Not sure what this was used for. It actually looks like it came out of a laundry room just by the lint and stuff that's on it. But it's probably 5 feet long. Got the two legs on that end, nothing on this end, like it was joined to maybe something, maybe to a wall in a corner. But with the price of wood and plywood, most likely I'll dismantle this and use it in projects. And when I get home, I'll show you some other things that I have found in the past. I want to show you what a couple of these items that I've got that people have sat out are selling for, or what they sell for new. So here's a Craftsman push mower that I found, 6.75 horsepower. Okay, this middle one, that is the mower that I found on the side of the road. So new is $300. What do you think you could get for it? What do you think I'll get for it? Over here, I have this Echo blower, ES210, that was just a few mailboxes down from that Craftsman mower. The Echo blower, I believe the one I got is the one on the left, $189. The one on the right's $249. And I may just keep that. I know our floor looks dirty, but that's just the pattern. Kim hates it. This is another find in that same subdivision. This high chair has actually got adjustments. Let me get down there for this step to be movable. This is a really nice high chair. Okay, apparently the Tot Sprout high chair I have is no longer available, and it looks like they have, everywhere I look, it looks like it's been replaced by this one. But again, over $200. I would be happy with 50 bucks. It is a crazy windy day here. That's the little pixie bicycle that I found sitting out with somebody's garbage. And there's my knight in shining armor right inside his headpiece. A bird has a nest. That's another one that was sitting out with trash. I've got the old Wicked Witch of the West bicycle up there. Again, something sitting out by the trash. So a few of the tips for springtime. Watch warm weekend days. It's when people get able to get outside and do stuff or clean in the garage. Try to get mowers going, weed eaters, blowers. You just never know. So watch for those warm weekend days. Learn what the trash pickup day is for that particular subdivision. Also, watch for homes that are for sale, because people that are moving clean out a lot of stuff and sit it out for the trash to pick it up. And a lot of times there's good items there. You know, I have found numerous things: nice ceiling lights, ceiling fans, armoire. That piece had all the parts and hinges, pulls, everything was in plastic bags. I think they knew somebody was going to pick it up before the trash got it. Easter, a couple of years ago, really nice bicycle I got. I think I gave that to one of my granddaughters. Looked like new. All I could figure is the child got another new Easter bike. But this thing was beautiful. There's just so many things I found. Found another Craftsman mower. I threw it in the truck, got to work. It started right up, and I thought, I bet it doesn't pull. So I engaged the wheels, and that's exactly what it was. Took the belt off, went to Napa, said, give me a belt one size smaller. Got that belt put on there, pulled the handle, boom, it's fine. Next day, it sold for $75, and I got that person's mower and turned around and sold it as well. We're just a throwaway society, and you, as well as I, can benefit from it. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit of info on how to pick up some extra cash. It's just easy to do with Marketplace and Craigslist, or save the stuff and have a yard sale. It's probably make a little more money going Marketplace or Craigslist, because yard sales, everybody's always looking for a bargain. Anyhow, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Take time to share this. That'll help our page or our channel get going. And you can check us out also on Facebook at Runaway Homestead with Perry and Kim. We'd love to have you along there as well. So with that, have a good weekend, and thank you, and I'll check you later.